We are live. Welcome to the Dustin Sanchez TV.com lawyer marketing show, baby. Okay, today we're going to talk about something that has been on my mind only because all of the people I am training to do law firm search engine optimization, everyone who's enrolled in my course, keep asking the same question. And that question is this: what are the best SEO backlinks for law firm websites? How do I know if this particular backlink that I am sending to my client is any good? So that's what we're going to talk about today. What are the best SEO backlinks for lawyers? What is it about a website backlink to a law firm website that makes it any good? All right, so let's get into that. But before we get into this topic, I want to show everybody this right here. Stand by, baby. Here it comes. Oh, goodness, that's probably not what I meant to do. Let's see if we can figure this out. I'm gonna No, we're almost there. We are almost there. Just a second. That's what I wanted. Okay, so haven't gone live in a while. You got to expect things like this to happen. Okay, let me make this bigger because what I've done for all the attorneys watching my program, I know you're out there because I see you in my comments. You hit me up on Facebook. You lawyers are dropping me emails every day asking questions about how to market your law firm, how you can work with me. Okay, if you want to know how to work with me, just go to DustinSanchezTV.com/contact, or just click on the contact tab/contact us page at DustinSanchezTV.com. Just drop me a quick email or fill out my discovery form right there on that page. Okay. Also, if you want to get this free ebook that I made for everybody out there, what's working now? Lawyer marketing secrets. What is working now in law firm marketing? Okay, because you have to stay abreast of all of the latest developments. So, you want to know what's working now in lawyer marketing? That includes search engine optimization, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, email marketing, you name it. You want to know what's working now in lawyer marketing? DustinSanchezTV.com/now. Get my free download. Okay. So here we are again. Let me just close out from this screen. We're going to talk about what makes the best SEO backlinks for lawyers. And let me show you what I've done here. Okay, so I'm just going to Google, right? This is Google right here. Google. And I did a search for Atlanta immigration lawyer, right? And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to pick the #1 attorney. Okay, you can see this is justia.com, which is a lawyer directory. What I'm looking at is as an actual attorney website. Okay, so this is the first and highest ranking law firm for Atlanta immigration lawyer. And the next question we have to ask is, how did they get here? How did they become the highest ranking law firm in Atlanta for the keyword Atlanta immigration lawyer? So what I'm going to do is remember this domain name, Antonin and Antonini and Cohen.com. Okay. This is what that website looks like. We have put the website antoniniandcohen.com into my Ahrefs website analyzing software so we can see what's going on here. Here you can see they have 1,900 backlinks to their website. They have 275 referring domains. What that means is 275 different websites are backlinking to their website. They got 4,600 organic traffic visits per month. So extremely healthy website. Now let's check out their backlinks, okay? These are the websites linking to this website. You have Justia, you have Wikipedia, you have expertise.com, you have buscoabogado.us, okay? You have bcgsearch.com, 3bestrated.com. So whenever you're trying to analyze a backlink, there are certain factors you have to look at. And I have a Google Doc right here. I guess if you want this Google Doc, email me and I'll give you the link to it, maybe. When we're talking about backlinks, you have to talk about number one, relevance, number two, power, or maybe that's backwards. There is some disagreement in the industry, okay, as to what's more important, the relevance of the website or the power of the website. In my line of work, lawyer marketing, I lean towards relevance over power. We'd love to have a backlink from, say, foxnewschannel.com or cnn.com. Those are very powerful. But I would like even more to have a backlink from foxnewschannel.com, and the page is about Houston car accident lawyers, and I link that to my Houston car accident lawyer client. Or I'd love even more to have a backlink from cnn.com. Yes, that's powerful, but from an inner page about Texas immigration lawyers. Very relevant, very powerful, and I link that inner page to my Texas immigration lawyer. All right, but depending on where in the SEO industry you work, some people are going to prefer power over relevance. Some people are going to prefer relevance over power. I'm a relevance guy, always have been, okay? So the first thing I look at to determine, is this a good domain, is I look at the domain name. You want the keyword, whether that's Atlanta or whether that is immigration or whether that is lawyer. You want one of those three words in the domain name, okay, for high relevance. Why is that? Because I guess I'll show you what I'm talking about here. We're going to go to Ahrefs and I'm going to type in word or phrase. I'm going to type in the word Atlanta and it's in the domain name. And what I'm telling Ahrefs is find me all the backlinks with the word Atlanta in the domain name. That is important because this is an Atlanta law firm. So if they want to rank in Atlanta, they want Atlanta relevant websites linking to them. You can see they have shoutoutatlanta.com. So Atlanta is before the dot. That's extremely powerful because this website can only be about one thing, the city of Atlanta. That's highly relevant. If it was just shoutout.com or even shoutoutgeorgia.com, that is less relevant because it could be about anything in the state of Georgia. Or if it's just shoutout.com, it can be about anything anywhere. But this is shoutoutatlanta.com, and they are linking to an Atlanta law firm. Okay, this is Atlanta, Georgia index.com. This is atlantaoffice.com. You have to remember that law firms operate in the local business space, right? Google considers law firms to be local businesses. And so the location of the websites that link to your law firm are very important. If you're in Houston, you want a bunch of Houston websites linking to you. If you are in Bainbridge, Alaska, if such a place exists, I just made that up. You want Bainbridge, Alaska websites linking to you. Okay. Let's keep going. We've covered domain, right? The next factor I have listed is URL. You would want the word Atlanta or the word immigration or the word lawyer or all three of those words in the URL. That means after the .com or .net or whatever. I'll show you what that looks like, okay? So we're going to go back to Ahrefs. I'm going to type in lawyer. Instead of domain name here, I'm going to put referring page URL. Show me the websites or the web pages with the word Atlanta, with the word lawyer in the URL that are linking to this attorney. There you have justia.com/lawyers. Okay, 3bestrated.com/immigration lawyers. Okay. What does that mean? That means that this specific web page, not the entire website, but the specific web page can only be about lawyers because it's got the word lawyer in the URL. Okay. That's highly relevant. What's next? The meta title of the website. Okay. We're going to go here. You can see this meta title is Atlanta Immigration Lawyers. Let me show you what a meta title is. I'm going to open the link in the new tab. This is that specific web page on Justia. If I hover at the top, you see that, oh, you can't see because my banner's in the way. Maybe I could make this a bit smaller. Stand by. Okay, if I hover at the top here, you see that pop up. That is the Atlanta Immigration Lawyers vertical separator, compare top rated Georgia attorney. Like that's the meta title. The meta title of this page is about Atlanta immigration lawyers. What that typically means is this page can only be relevant to one topic, Atlanta immigration lawyers. Okay. So let's go to the next relevance factor. Okay. We got a comment from Rihan Tahir. Says, boom. That's right, brother. Okay. Next is the page content. Okay. Page content, like what is the thing? What are the things that are typed inside of the page? Is it an article about Atlanta immigration lawyers? Is it an article about Houston plumbers? Because if the page content is about Houston plumbers, that's not very relevant to Atlanta immigration attorneys. So that's the next factor. Okay. The next factor in relevance is meta description. And that's difficult to show here, but how about if I go like this? I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to do a Google search for immigration lawyers. I'm going to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay. This right here is the SEO meta description, okay, of this specific page. And if this specific meta description was all about Atlanta immigration lawyers, like if it said founded in 1946, the Atlanta Immigration Lawyer Association is the best Atlanta immigration lawyer gathering in Georgia. That would be highly relevant to an Atlanta immigration attorney website, and you would want a backlink from this specific web page. All right. Okay, we've talked about relevance. I'm going to take a quick break to do one thing. And what is that? That is, again, to promote the heck out of this bad boy, the What's Working Now in Lawyer Marketing ebook. Okay, go download it for real, dog. DustinSanchezTV.com/now. You can download it for free. Also, if you want to work with me, you want to hire the best law firm marketing guru in the whole wide world, go to DustinSanchezTV.com. And when you get there, when you get to that website, oh, come on, Google, do me a darn favor. When you get to that website, you just click on this contact page, right? Click on contact, and there will start the process. This is how you start the process of getting to work for me. You just click this button. It says, I want more and better clients, and I'll take you through the whole process. We'll get on the phone together. We will tell you everything you need to know to blow up your law firm's client acquisition channels, baby. That's what you got to do today. You need more clients. It's very hard to practice law if you don't have any clients. This is what I do for a living. I get attorneys more clients than they can handle. All right, power factors. What makes a website stronger? To me, the biggest indication of how powerful a web page is, a URL, is the answer to the question, how much traffic does that URL have? If you're getting a backlink from a web page that has a ton of traffic to it, that is a very strong backlink to have. Reason being because Google considers one of the biggest indicators of how healthy a website is what traffic is going to it. That's the first reason. Second reason is some of that traffic will click your backlink and land on your website. Then you get referral traffic. Now, if it's an article about Atlanta immigration lawyer and it has a ton of traffic to it, and then they click your backlink and land on your Atlanta immigration attorney website, that tells Google two things. Not only are you getting referral traffic, but you are getting referral traffic from a highly relevant website. Now you have power and relevance working together. When I get backlinks for my clients, traffic is my number one consideration. Does this web page have a ton of traffic? My number two consideration is, does this website have a ton of traffic? When you're talking web page, you're talking URL. You're talking the specific page on the website that is backlinking to your website. When you're talking overall website, you're talking about the domain. How much traffic does this domain have? All right. Then and only then do I consider the quality of the backlink. Like, is this a backlink from some casino website? I don't want a backlink from a gambling website. I want a backlink from the best lawyer website in the world, or I want a backlink from Wikipedia, like high quality websites. But again, typically when you're talking high quality, all you're really saying is, does this website get any traffic, organic traffic? So it all comes back to traffic. Okay. That's all I'm going to talk about for now. I think we've beat this dead horse. Don't cancel me. I'm not talking about like actually killing horses here. I'm saying we've gone over this topic enough at this point in time. Here's what you do next. You go to DustinSanchezTV.com/contact. You click on this blue button that says, I want more and better clients. You can watch the video there if you want, if you so desire. I suggest you do because you want to be informed. You want to know as much about lawyer marketing as you possibly can before you hire someone to take over your lawyer marketing. Now, you're going to be safe with me because I've been doing this for a long time and I'm widely considered the best in the industry. And certainly my mom thinks I'm the best ever. Go to DustinSanchezTV.com/contact. Click on the blue link button that says, I want more and better contacts, and we will hook you up.